Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a video on my car essentials bag, which is right here. It is made by Ollie and Olivia. I got it at Marshall's, I think roughly for about maybe $9 or something like that. It is actually a lunch bag that I just kind of invented it this way. So basically, I just took a lunch bag and used it for multi-purpose, and now we have a car essentials to go bag. So let's go ahead and get into it, and hopefully this will give you some ideas of what you can put in yours if you decide to have one of these. Usually I just have everything kind of just scrambled all over my floor seats, and it's just a big mess. So I was thinking, let's just go ahead and get a bag for it. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. It's not that big. It's about medium sized. And like I said, it's by Ollie and Olivia. I've never heard of that brand before, but I think it's pretty cool. It's got a really pretty inside. And you can kind of see what's already in there. It's kind of messy, but oh well. All right, so the very first thing I have in here is extra deodorant. And this is Dove right here. And it's that kind of crumble confetti cake type. So that's the very first thing I have. I've never even tried it, so it's just kind of just in there at the moment. I'm chewing gum right now. I hope my what's it called? My stand for my camera doesn't fall. Just have some Frida. I have dental work, so I try to keep my dental work intact, and so that's why I have gum. My dad gave me this. It's like a roller for your face. It's like a jade roller. It's really cooling, and right now it's cold because I just got the bag out of my car. Okay, so that's that. And then here's some reading glasses because I'm old. I just recently turned 39, so yeah, I'm getting kind of old. So that's that. I have a hairbrush right here. In case you're wondering where I am in my house, this is my office. We redid it a long time ago. So I don't do a whole lot of videos in here. Usually I just do it in my bedroom, but I don't really care for the way my bedroom looks right now. Cat is all in the bed, and he won't really get out of the bed, and he's that lazy. So anyways, and then I have this right here. It's a holographic one. It's relatively cheap. It's about $2 at Walmart. And then I have a whole bunch of change. So if I want to get my car washed, or if I want to do whatever, get something out of a drink machine. Here's a quarter for Aldi's, and a whole bunch of change. I got this off of Amazon. It comes with another one, but I only needed one. Okay, so usually I keep my list on my phone, but sometimes when I go to the grocery store and I'm forgetting things, I take my pen and I take my paper. It's really cute. And I just made myself a long list of what I need. I fold it in half just so it doesn't take up so much room. Like right here, let's see. Yeah, right here it says in my notes, hot spicy air fryers, skewers, salad with mushrooms, asparagus, lemon, broccoli, chicken at Sam's, boiled eggs. I boil my own eggs. I don't buy them. Just to let you know. And then chicken seasoning for that. Sometimes I get a little sweaty in the car and I just want to take my makeup off, which I'm not wearing any makeup right now. And I really don't feel like it because I hate putting makeup on. So this is the Daily Makeup Remover Towelettes. And then This is, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Laneige, maybe? It is a lip sleeping mask. As you can tell, I'm not really going to edit this video too much because I did a lot of editing last night and I'm kind of tired. But yeah, this is a lip sleeping mask. And then this is what it looks like inside. I think I got it free. And then just to have stuff to blot my face with or do concealer, and I don't want to have to use a very harsh brush or my fingers. So yeah, here is a sponge right here. And here's a sponge right here. I have a whole bunch. I actually got them from Big Lots, which I'm really upset about right now because our Big Lots is gone. So, oh well. And then here is one more. Just a little thing for underneath your eyes or whatever you want to do with it. Maybe you decide you want to be an art major and you want to start doing painting with these little sponges. All right, and so here's one more of the gum. Like I said, it was freed in. And that's it. And you can tell it's about that big. Kind of folds like this. And you can always tell whether a bag is good or not based on the zipper. If it zips pretty fast and you can tell it's still pretty durable and reliable, then that's a plus. All right, guys. Well, that is it. And I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Come back to my channel more often because I should be posting a lot more often. I've been super busy the last year for all different kinds of reasons, and I'm exhausted from it. But yeah, I should be posting a lot more, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. A lot of people don't subscribe. I think they just forget to, maybe. They just see videos every once in a while, and a lot of it's my fault because I don't post enough and I don't have necessarily a schedule, which that's something I should have, and I should type it. Oh my gosh. I should try to establish more of a schedule so people know when I'm going to be posting. So I'll talk to you guys later, and bye.